Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight in to explore how to use Trello's List Limits Power-Up, the comprehensive guide for 2025. We'll kick off by activating the List Limits Power-Up. Navigate to the Power-Up section in your Trello board menu, find List Limits, and click Enable. This powerful feature lets you set a maximum number of cards for each list, helping you to manage your workflow more effectively and prevent overload. The reason we do this is to ensure that our lists don't become bloated and unmanageable. It's all about staying organized and maintaining a clear view of your tasks. Now that we've done that, let's set up a card limit. Simply click on the List Limit button that now appears at the top of your list and type in your desired number. This helps us because it allows us to keep a tab on the number of tasks we are working on simultaneously. Let me explain why this matters. If we exceed the limit, Trello will highlight the list in red. It's a visual cue that tells you to stop adding new tasks and focus on completing the existing ones. Next up, we'll make use of Trello's notification feature. Whenever the list exceeds its limit, you'll receive an alert. To set this up, click on the List Limit button, select Manage, and then check Warn Me when this list exceeds its limit. This way, you won't miss the alert, even if you're not currently looking at the board. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello keeps track of your list and automatically sends a notification when the limit is crossed. It's like having a personal assistant who is always monitoring your lists for you. And there you have it. With the List Limits Power-Up, you've got a powerful tool that helps you manage your tasks better on Trello. It's not just about limiting tasks, but about enhancing your productivity. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to apply these steps to keep your Trello boards organized and efficient. Until next time.